Feilding and Palmerston North, when the water won't wait, you need a pro who shows up. HD Plumbing and Gas handles leaking taps, toilet fixes and hot water cylinder repairs. Planning a bathroom renovation? We rough in, fit off and keep it tidy start to finish. Blocks drain causing chaos? Our drain laying gear clears lines fast and we'll pinpoint the cause. Gas fitting and fireplace installation are done safely and to code. And if it's urgent, we're ready for emergency callouts. For reliable help, done right the first time, call us today.